Good evening, and what a lovely evening it is. Just going out to do a quick 5-mile blood pumper because I don't want to fall asleep, which I will do if I stay sitting at my table. Whew. I'm a bit short of breath though, with all this heat. So, might have to take it easy. Too close to missiles, switching to guns, rat-a-tat-tat. Hello!
How are you doing?
I'm not too bad, are you okay? Go on, I'll ride up with you.
Hey?
I'll ride up with you.
You can get going again.
Oh,
Probably on a...
I've stopped you on a hill, haven't I? Whew. Yeah, several times a day, Miss Heat.
Well, I know, exactly.
You put it down in the morning, it'll be bone dry by now, won't it?
Yeah, exactly.
You and Mick okay?
It's alright.
Good.
Yeah, it cobbles along.
Yeah, I know. So,
How's your grandson?
oh, I went down to see him. He's in LGA again,
Yeah,
having a week of VT scans.
yeah.
He's got like 30 wires coming out of his head, and he keeps saying that he's still having his seizures,
Oh, right,
but his mum and dad haven't noticed anything.
right.
So they've been making note of when he's told them,
Yeah.
and he's been wired up all week, and the
So they can see, detect
the
it
technicians are monitoring him in real time.
Yeah, yes.
And
Hi.
hello, and they came in yesterday afternoon when I was there
Yeah.
and said we can't find any evidence of him
So he's
having any seizures.
Isn't that interesting?
Well, it's like, you know, when you have a finger amputated or something like
exactly,
that,
You still think
you
feel
still
it.
think you feel it.
Yeah, it's a sort of ghost thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, listen, I'm going to get going, Jane.
Yes, do. I'm just getting out of the way.
Nice to see you, darling.
Yeah, okay.
You take care, love. Oh yeah, there's a bit of a rundown on my grandson for you, which really is the best news we could have ever hoped to hear. I've been waiting for today's update with bated breath, but it hasn't come yet. They say no news is good news, so we'll deal with that. Good to see kids and parents all playing in the park. That were well timed. Are they going to give me some fucking room? Bastards, when they don't fucking move over. So yeah, he's got sun in his face, but you know, sun's out and it's low, put some fucking shades on. There we go. Well, I don't think you can get out. The other reason I've come up this road is because it's a long steady drag and it's good for my legs and my heart, but not my fucking mental health. Oh well, just goes to show you can't have your cake and eat it, can they? Getting a bit steeper now. You stay there, you fucker. Excuse my French, by the way. Quite prolific today, you may have noticed. And I'm in a good mood as well. Let's get off of the main road. Yeah, Otley Road. In my notebook it's called the kill zone. Lovely wispy clouds up there today. Oh mind you, they're not clouds, are they? I forgot. They've been deposited by the civil aviation industry. smile. Nobody must smile. I'll just stick more pins in my nose and look grumpy at everybody, but I will not smile. He will not smile. Spoil his image. Corner cutting. Yeah. I like the street. I saw my first bat in about 2 years last night on my back doorstep. Well, not literally on my back doorstep. I were on my back doorstep. The bat wasn't though. He was flying. Yeah, I was just talking to a friend of mine a few days ago. I mentioned that I hadn't seen a bat in such a long time. Also saw a grasshopper the other day on my window. I haven't seen one of those since I was a little boy in the sort of 1960s, 1970s. So that really was quite something to see. Corner cutting. Flying elephants though, they are really quite elusive. I haven't seen one of those yet, but I suppose I'll have seen everything when I finally do. Looks up just to check. Which isn't a good idea when you're riding a bike downhill, but you know, when you're doing a bit of corner cutting, there's nothing wrong with looking for flying elephants. I do like a good serious conversation with myself. Oh, where we go. And the cannons. Yep, thank you. Beckett's Park University campus. Not all around, is there? pennies from heaven. Strange people around. Puppy patrol. Cheers, mate. Thank you. I like this bit. Thank you. Hey, putty cat. My shadow precedes me. Turning onto the homeward leg now. Can I filter in without any loss of speed now? Don't be stupid, Paul. It's a fucking main road. Well, we're clear. Looks like Maggie's either out or she's gone to bed early. Bless her cotton socks. Right, a bit of pavement hopping. Oh, I wish I could get out into the countryside on my bike, but I can't afford the 400 and odd quid needed for a new battery. This one's only giving me about 10 miles of charge at the moment. Always something, isn't there? Okay, it's dead. Normally you can't get a parking spot round here. Because all the students have gone home. Flaps down, gear down, and we got to beat this one and onto the runway. Well, if you're still here and watching, or you made it this far, well done. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.